How to add job alert on LinkedIn? Guys, you can add a number of job alert on LinkedIn, or you can create job alert for the specific job or designation. So I'm going to show in my desktop, but if you're using iPhone or Android, you can follow the same step. So guys, let's start with the video. Here I am on my LinkedIn. So guys, first you have to log in with your LinkedIn, and now you have to tap on this job icon, and here you can see your job alerts which you have created. Okay, so I just create my job alert, and job recommendations you should be on, and you can edit your job alert, you can delete your job alert. Okay, I said delete my job alert. So how you can add new job alert? Go to the search job and type designation like whatever you are interested in. So I just create, type video editor, and here you have to enter your desired location, city or country, whatever. So just select video editor, and you have to enter your desired location also. So if you're looking a job in particular city, such that you have to enter the particular city here, and you have to enter the particular perfect job editor, and you have to select designation from this list. Okay, so here you can see there is a many list, so I have to select the job designation from this list only. So search again, and for this you have to for create job alert you have to set alert. So this job alert has been created, video editor in Texas, United States. So let's see it's created or not. Go to the job again, go to the profile again, go to the job, and here you can go to the job alert, and here you can see the job alert has been created. So whenever new job will come, you see on your notification, or go to the job, and you will see opportunities like this. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.